This is a 2023 Toyota Highlander, and maintain light is on. So we're gonna start up the car, and then light is on. So these are things we're gonna use over here: down, up, left, right, okay, and back. So right now, I'm gonna push back, and this pop up. Go to the right or left, doesn't matter. Once you get to this setting, push OK. Scroll down to a vehicle setting, push OK, or hold down the OK. Scroll down, push OK, go up, push OK. So this, you're not finished yet. You have to go down one more and do this one till. If you don't, the maintain light will still be on. Push OK. Up. Yes. Now you need to push back to go back wherever you want. And that's it.